I spent the last 4 years in tech consulting. And trust me when I say this, I basically did slides for a living. If there is one thing I really know how to do is slides. Back then, a single deck would take me multiple hours, days, and weeks even. And now, using the power of AI, I can just do it within a few hours. Bam! And no one really notices the difference. So today, I'm going to show you how I make presentations using AI within just a few hours and how you can do it too. And honestly, you can even do it within a few minutes once you get the hang of it. In this video, I will walk you through my whole process from idea to generating slides and how I polish them using Canva. Let's go! The most important thing while using AI is giving the right input. AI is very smart, but it's not a mind reader. You need to feed the relevant information to it before you even get started. So take a while to define what's your purpose with these slides. What should the storyline look like? Does it need any additional information? Do you need some website information? Maybe some publications or some scientific papers? Whatever you need, just feed into the AI and talk about the audience a little bit. Who's the team? What's your purpose? Who are you talking to? And you can also ask the AI to ask you more questions for clarification purposes. And with this part, I usually say it. I'm gonna also show you some examples. I want to start with the agenda to see if we're aligned on everything, if something's missing. So I just nail down the agenda. And from there, I go in depth with the certain slides and we just discuss how it should go. Are we missing anything? Is it good? So just take a minute to clear out your head what you want to do with the slides, explain it to the AI. This is super nice. Just type this in. Please give me an exportable PowerPoint file. I want to download it. You can write this to multiple tools. I use ChatGPT because she is my bestie. I've been using it from the day one, so I'm kind of used to it. But you can also use other AI tools. You can use your favorite AI tool, basically. That's it. And then within a few seconds, you would get slides. Amazing. If you want to do it in another format, I also asked AI to give me the same thing for Notion so that I could do basically like to-do checklist, and it also made like an Excel tracker of who is doing what and that type of stuff. You can also ask for that. So you can basically ask AI to generate multiple files based on the information you're looking for. Moving on, after I exported the slides, I saw this. So this was not what I was looking for. This was basically just like a random PowerPoint with some notes. But here comes the magic. After you have the slides, you can also use Canva. And Canva has this amazing feature. Let me just show you. Under design, you can go to layouts and you can match the brand style. This is amazing. So what I recognized was that with this empty slides, it didn't have the formatting we were looking for. So I just resized the whole thing to the presentation size we were looking for. That was the first step. And once we had the 16:9 ratio for the presentations, Canva has multiple options with the layouts. So I turned boring slides, for example, let's go to this one. This looks pretty boring. So we just go to layouts and then look out what could be like a good thing for us as a visual for our ideal user. Let's just pick one. I think I can delete this and maybe this to give you a better idea. And it just changes the whole thing. Yeah, it's super cool. Okay, this is just like random questions and I'm just gonna change the background color and maybe play with the fonts just real quick to make it pretty. Pens, yes, now this looks better. Make it bold and make these a bit bigger. Let's do 32. I can polish this very, very quickly, as you can see, and I just need some visuals. Actually, a few days ago, it recommended me visuals as well, but I upgraded the tool and I don't have it anymore. I mean, I did this visuals based on Canva. I didn't have to look for them, but it's also super easy to look for them here. I'm just gonna say user under elements, and we're just gonna go into maybe like graphics. This matches our brand colors in a way. Who is your ideal user? Or maybe this one. I can't find the colors. All right, let's pick this one. And this is like basically it. Or you can also go to photos, maybe someone like this, to give like a little bit of vibe to slides. Or you can do it like this here, and then yeah, you can also like do a little bit better arrangement. You got my point. So let me just delete this. I love making slides, don't get me started. I can spend a lot of time. I don't want to, but I just really like the concept. And so we can go to maybe frames, find a cool frame. What would be cool as a frame, something modern, like here. And then let's put her in. No, it's not cool.
A few minutes later.
Basically, you can use Canva to polish boring slides and make them interesting. It also has some suggestions around formatting, and it can give you visuals right under the design and under layouts. It is amazing. You can also use some templates and just copy paste your writing. This is pretty much it. How cool is this? So yeah, this whole process used to take me forever, and I can do it within a few hours or even within a few minutes using the power of AI and then getting some help from Canva for the polishing. This is really a game changer if you work in consulting, marketing, sales, education, or just have to present stuff in general. What are you making slides for? I'm super curious. Drop your topic in the comments below and I will make sure to include it in the next videos. If you want more videos around AI tips, automations, workflows, how you can use AI to become more efficient, hit the subscribe button and let's work smarter, not harder together. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, you can also like some of my other videos over here and hope to see you next time. Take care. Remember to subscribe. Bye.